Want to know what the future of plasma cutting looks like? Then you gotta look at firepower. Introducing the revolutionary new Firepower 25i, 35i, and 45i manual plasma cutting systems. You want a plasma cutter that's easy to use? You got it! Each Firepower unit features a single push-button control knob. With it, you can set every function you need. What's more, you can monitor all of your adjustments on the crystal clear full-color LCD display. So, how do they work? First, select the trigger control mode. Use 2T for standard on-off or 4T to lock the trigger on for extended cuts. Second, select material type, solid plate or expanded metal. Third, adjust cutting current. And talk about power. These units cut steel, stainless, and aluminum like a hot knife through butter. They deliver rated cuts on 5/16, half-inch, or 5/8" steel. Choose your Firepower unit based on available electrical service. The FP-25i offers the convenience of standard 115-volt household current, while the FP-35i and 45i connect to 230-volt power to deliver much more punch. The FP-45i carves cleanly through 5/8 steel and severs 1 inch. When you need power, precision, and portability, the FP series has you covered. To top it off, these units come standard with a juiced-up 60-amp plasma torch, featuring a generous 15-foot torch cable and easy-to-assemble consumables. The FP series of plasma cutters are brought to you by Firepower, a company that carries the assurance of nearly 300 combined years of premier global cutting and welding brands.